In this video, I am going to explain to you how to use your iPad to record a screencast. To start off, slide down from the top right corner and look for the screen recording function. If it does not exist, then you have to go to the settings. Tap on the control center, customize controls, and you may then add the screen recording function. Let's go back to the control center. If you tap and hold onto the button, you may see that you can toggle the microphone between on and off. When you're ready to record, tap on the screen recording icon. You will know that the iPad is starting to record when you see the red button on the top right corner of the status bar. Once you see it, you may start to record your lesson. When you're ready to stop the recording, tap on the red icon and tap stop. Your video will be saved automatically to the Photos app. That's all. Thank you.